Welcome to part 6 of how to play the flute. This section, this part, we're actually going to just talk about a couple things. If you'll go to page 6 in your book, you'll see that there are some boxes, some different colored boxes at the top of your page. And throughout the book, you can feel free to turn and look through the book. Hopefully you have already. If not, go ahead and do that. And you'll see that there are lots of different boxes of different colors. Now those colors correspond to specific things throughout the book. And I want to talk about that really quick so that you kind of can be prepared as we continue through this book. The first color box is yellow. And yellow boxes are showing you new notes. They're always shown in yellow. So you have the box at the top of the page, and then somewhere on the page you'll have another highlighted section of the same yellow, and it'll show you that note. So you know that that's the note it's talking about, or that that's a new note. Okay. Another boxes are green. Green boxes are key signatures and time signatures. Okay, and it's key signatures and time signatures that we talked about from part 5. Throughout the book, when you have new ones, they're going to be green. It's going to show you green ones, green boxes. And then there's also going to be blue boxes. Blue boxes are new rhythmic values. So like quarter notes and half notes, and when you learn new things like eighth notes and 16th notes, sometimes it's things like ties, because that makes you hold that note longer, which changes the rhythm. And anything that changes rhythm is going to be blue. Okay? And then there are other new terms throughout the book, and they're going to be either purple or red. They'll alternate those colors throughout. And sometimes they have multiple terms on one, so they need a couple different things. And then again, each of those different colors will be highlighted in at the top of the page in a box, and then on the actual exercises highlighted in that color. So that'll help you understand a little bit how this book is formatted and how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and be right on page 6. And if you look at the top of your page, on page 6, you'll see there's some of those colored boxes. There's a yellow box with 3 new notes for your instrument. And I'll explain how to read those notes in the next video. You'll see there's a purple box that talks about one person playing. It says solo. It's a new term, so it's purple and red. Okay. Speaking of red, there's a red one that talks about a flat, what a flat is. And we'll explain that also as we get closer. The green one, time signature, says 4/4, meaning 4 beats in a measure, and a quarter note receives 1 beat. And then there's a blue box that talks about whole notes and whole rests. So you have all of that on your page 6. And the most important thing I can teach you in this video would be make sure you understand what's in each of those boxes, because they're all teaching you something that you need to know to understand how to play your instrument. So read them, understand them. If there's something there you don't understand, make sure you ask me, and so that I can help you understand that, so we can move forward and understand how to play your instrument and what all these terms mean. The next video we'll get into some actual playing, and we'll see you on that one.